I wanted something semi-squishy, but also a little solid, some high density foam, because I don't want to slouch. And I love this little one-seater floor style sofa, 26-inch. It fits me just right, plenty of room, and it's gonna go great in my office. Can do the old side chill. Of course, I already found out the cats love it. Came super compressed in the box, and I actually had to steam it because I wanted it immediately. But if you waited a day or two, it'd probably be fine. And this thing really is just the perfect fit. I can sit up, or I can slouch down, but I feel like I have good support sitting up. I don't feel like I'm curved or like hunching my neck, and I can sit up even more if I move my butt back. The material is a nice thin corduroy, which I love, because unlike those furrier corduroy thick ones that are very popular right now, nothing gets in the fur, but it's soft. And it really does have that extra deep seat, so like I'm comfy, and look at how much room we have. I could have my laptop here, be doing some work. It's just compact and big at the same time. I don't know how they do that. They're already claiming it. Check out that corduroy up close. It's perfect. Very cool side profile, but it does have a non-stick bottom, so it won't be sliding around anywhere. And the whole thing comes off. I also really like sitting on it the wrong way, because it turns it into a rocker. You can just sit, kick back. It's perfect. Love it. Highly recommend.